Hello everyone, make a ponytail. Now take small section of the hairs and then rotate it like this upward. Keep folding it like this, and after fixing the hairs on the top, we will be making the plaits on all the hairs like this. Now fold the hairs properly and fix it on the sides with the hairpin, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be making a ponytail. Now make the plaits on the hairs and then roll it like this. Now after rolling it, fix it with the hairpin. Now tie the hairs and then spread it like this into two parts and make a heart-like shape. Fix it by folding it around and put the hairpin on the top like this. Fix it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and then making the ponytail as shown in the video. So before let's proceed. Now take the hairs and then fold it like this with the hairpin and fix it like this. Now keep rolling the hairs around it and put the hairpin. Now take the hairs and then fold it like this as shown in the video. Now fix it around and then roll it. Now tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs by folding it upward like this and then put a hairpin on the top, and it's done. Next, put this hairnet on the hairs and then roll it like this and make a bun. Fold the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Now after that, fix the hairs properly like this. Now after that, fold the hairs upward again from the sides around the bun and fix it with the hairpin, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to pinch the hairpins on the hairs, and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the hairs and then rotate it. Now make a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs like this by folding it and put the hair bun pin to fix the hairs tightly, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the hairs like this and tie half of the hairs as shown in the video. Now after that, fix the hairs by dividing them into two parts and fold it upward. Fix the hairs carefully. Now after that, tie the hairs by spreading it into sections like this from the sides. Spread it little bit and then fold the hairs like this, and it's done. Next, we have to make a ponytail. Make the plaits by dividing the hairs into two parts and spread it little bit on the top and fix the hairpin in the between. Now fix it from both the sides. Now tie the hairs from the downside, rotate it and then fold it upward like this and fix it using the hairpins or the rubber band, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, divide the hairs into two parts and then rotate it like this. Now after that, rotate the hairs by dividing them and fold it upward like this and fix it. Now after fixing the hairs, fold it like this and put the hairpin and then fix it from both the sides, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Divide the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now fold the hairs upward and fix it with the hairpin like this. Now tie the hairs from the between and then roll it down and fix it like this. Fold the hairs and put the hairpin like this and fix it, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this and make a ponytail. Fix this bun pin and then tie the hairs like this on the downside. Now tie it with the rubber band. Now fold the hairs upward like this and then tie it as shown in the video. Fix the hairpin using the hair bun like this. Fix it carefully and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail and fix it with the bun pin like this and fold the hairs on the right side or the left side, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.